I have taken over now. Welcome to Wow Words of Wisdom. I am Sabelo Kombe, and here I'm sitting with Johnny. Okay? So, Johnny, I just need to ask you a couple of questions, just simple questions. I need to know, I would like to know how is life in the state, uh, how you guys are being treated, like as a black man. How do you survive? How do you engage all these social problems that you encounter every day, like police? Because I've seen some videos on social medias where policemen are just are practicing something that is against their payroll, or I don't know whether you say payroll, but what they are doing is what do you call this thing? They are acting as if they are above the law. So how do you cooperate on these things? How's life there?
Brother B,
I think
excuse me.
so. I think what you're asking is all the shootings,
All the shooting.
police
Yes,
shootings
yes,
of
yes,
black
yes,
men.
yes.
I can compare it like this. We started our journey here on the tour from Johannesburg,
Yes.
and then we got off the plane and we did a road trip.
Road trip.
We went
Okay.
from Johannesburg to Soweto, from
So yes,
Soweto
that's a
to
township.
yes,
Yeah.
and visited Mandela
Mandela.
and
Okay.
visited the museum and from there, a couple of days we ended up here now, and so in riding, I tell